You can hit. Okay. The name of the topics is Bakira to mute korun. Change of origin and scale. What is the origin and scale in statistical concept? Let we first of define. Let y equal to a plus bx, where x is a known statistical variable like mid value of some continuous class interval and so on so, and x is a statistical variable যে কোনো একটা মিড ভ্যালু বা কোনো কন্টিনিউয়াস ভেরিয়েবলের মিড পয়েন্ট যেরকম থাকে না ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি ডিস্ট্রিবিউশনের ক্ষেত্রে এরকম x is that type of variable, and a and b are both some constant term কিছু fixed value, and corresponding y is another variable. Basically, this is a relation between two variable x and y, where x variable is known to us, and this constant a and constant b is known to us, and then y is an unknown, and we can calculate depending on x. We can calculate like y. Say for example, there is a frequency distribution like 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on, and let the corresponding, this is the x and corresponding f is like 3, 5 and say for example 4, and we can easily find the mid value. We can easily find the mid value like this plus this 5, this plus 15, this plus 25, right? And we can call this mid value, we can call this mid value as x. We can call this mid value as x. Okay. So now we can define a new variable y as a plus bx, and when that is when x is equal to 5, we can write y is equal to a plus 5b. When x is equal to 15, we can write y equal to a plus 15b. When x is equal to 25, we can write y equal to a plus 25b, and so on. So if we know the value of a and b, we can easily calculate the corresponding y for corresponding x. For 15, the value of x, and we can get the value of y if we know the value of a and b. In statistical concept or statistical interference or in basic statistical topic, this equation, for this equation, the variable x, the constant a is called origin, and constant b is called scale. This is a special type of equation, that is you can convert an variable x into the variable y or variable y into the variable x by using two constant, by using two fixed number like origin and scale. A statistical variable x, একটু যে example দেখাচ্ছিলাম for that mid value like this, statistical variable x can be converted to another variable y by using this formula or using this equation, where the a is called the origin and b is called scale. Okay. Now, what is the implication of this line? Why I write the change of origin and scale? We can prove for this particular equation, we can prove number one, the mean for this new variable y is equal to a plus bx bar, right? And the variance for this particular new variable y is equal to b square into variance of x. I repeat, this is two extra property of this change of this origin and scale equation. Number one, the mean of the new variable y is equal to the a, the origin, plus b, the scale, into the corresponding x bar, mean, arithmetic mean. I think you already know this. X bar means the arithmetic mean, y bar is the arithmetic mean. Y bar means the arithmetic mean of the y variable, x bar is the arithmetic mean of x variable. Similarly, variance, or you can write the variance like sigma y square. You can write this variance as b square sigma x square, and you know the meaning of sigma means standard deviation. Sigma means standard deviation. A standard deviation square is called variance. So variance of y is equal to b square var x. That is, we can conclude the equation from the equation 2 that var x is independent of the origin. I repeat, var x, and automatically the standard deviation is independent of origin, because origin is not present here. For the new I repeat again, new variable y, new variance, variance of the new variable, sorry, variance of the new variable is independent of the a, or independent of origin, and it is the use, and we can use the formula var y equal to b square var x, where b is for scale, the name, just a naming convention. And for the mean is dependent on the origin as well as scale. So this is the well-known proof, and it is required in high-level statistical calculation. These two equations is required for high-level statistical calculation. আমাদের এখন খুব বেশি ডিটেইলে যাওয়ার দরকার নেই, just you have to prove this and this. I repeat, we have to prove this for this particular case of equation, why this is true and why this is true. আবার বলছি, আজকের মূল টাস্ক, if the equation is y is equal to a plus bx, we have to prove first y bar is equal to a plus bx bar, number one. Then number two, we have to prove variance of y equal to b square var x. Clear? So to start, to prove this, আজকের মূল কাজ, ফার্স্ট প্রমাণ করব y bar is equal to a plus bx bar, where it is given like this, y equal to a plus bx. And number two, we have to prove variance of y equal to b square into variance of x. Well, this is the original equation, y equal to a plus bx, where a is called origin and b is called scale. যারা পড়ে এসে তাদের জন্য এক ঝলক জিস্ট বললাম, where a is called origin and b is called scale, and this is an equation where x is a variable like mid value or something like that, and y is corresponding another variable, and if they are related with this equation like y is equal to a plus bx, এখানে x variable উপর বেস করে you can find the value of y. Okay, in that case, arithmetic mean y bar is equal to a plus bx bar. Okay, and variance, that is sigma square, that is standard deviation square, variance of y is equal to b square into x. Okay, প্রথমে এটা প্রমাণ করব, দেন এটা শুরু করি। বোঝা গেল? যদি এই পর্যন্ত হোয়াট ইউ হ্যাভ টু প্রুফ, এইটাই কোনো কনসেপ্টে অসুবিধা থাকলে বলুন, then we can go for the proof. And what is origin, what is scale, and why we use the name change of scale? First of all, arithmetic mean will not change for the origin and scale. Sorry. y bar will be changed. No, right, sorry. Y bar is dependent on the origin and scale. If this A and B change, y bar will be changed. If A and B change, y bar will be changed, that arithmetic mean will change. That means arithmetic mean is dependent, এই কথাটা খুব পরীক্ষা আসে, MCQ তে আসে. Arithmetic mean is dependent on the origin and scale. But variance is not dependent on origin. Variance is dependent on scale, because this and this. MCQ তে খুব আসে যে arithmetic mean is dependent on option 1 origin, option 2 scale, option 3 origin comma scale, option 3, option 4 none of this. Similarly, variance is dependent on option 1 origin, option 2 scale, option 3 variance and scale, option 4 none of this. So y bar, that is arithmetic mean, is dependent both on origin and scale, and variance is dependent on your scale. Okay, now we have to prove these two property of the statistical variable. First of all, we prove y bar is equal to a plus bx bar, and then we have to prove this. শুরু করি. শুরু করলাম. So y bar equal to a plus bx bar, where it is known শুরু করি solution. Y equal to a plus bx, it is given, right?
স্যার
বলো.
স্যার স্যার বলছি তো পার্টিসিপেন্ট লিস্টে না রাজেশ নাগের একটা আনইম্পর্টেন্ট নাম একটা ঢুকে আছে, রিমুভ করে দিন।
কি
আপনি পার্টিসিপেন্ট লিস্টে দেখুন, একটা মানে উল্টো পাল্টা নামের ছেলে ঢুকে আছে, ওটাকে রিমুভ করে দিন।
কি নাম?
কাজে মানে আপনার নাম, তারপর দেয়া আছে বাবা,
তারপর স্যার ওই বাবার।
দেখছি দেখ।
আর নেই স্যার, ঠিক আছে, আর কোন নেই স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
এই প্রবলেম। আচ্ছা শুরু করি, আবার মাঝখান দিয়ে ইন্টারাপ্ট হয়ে গেল। So first we have to prove this. So it is given now, implies you can apply the summation symbol. So dividing the both side by n, taking the constant, assume n number of observations, assuming m number of observations. মানেটা কি? মনে করো n number of data are there, বা observe, you can write it data also, observation জায়গায় data লিখতে পারো, n number of datas. Okay, so summation, we can apply the first summation like this. Think about situation, আমি যদি একবার বোঝার সুবিধাতে লিখি, x এর ভ্যালুস গুলো ধরো 2 3 6 9 12 15 18. How many data are there? N equal to, and corresponding f will be there like this, so and so. Some f will be there. So what is the number of n? number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then is equal to 6. We write it 6. So n equal to 6 for this particular case, and summation y by n plus a is constant, so a goes outside. Summation on 1 plus b is constant, b goes outside, so summation on x. Right. Now we know from our previous knowledge y by bar n is equal to y bar as arithmetic mean am is equal to x bar equal to summation x by n, or x bar equal to summation fx by summation f. If there is frequency involved, we can using this formula summation f into x by summation f. If there is no frequency, only data values are given, then we can apply summation x by number of observation. So similar for this case, y bar is equal to summation y by n. Okay. And a into summation 1. Summation 1 means how many terms are there? Summation 1 means 1, how many times? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on. That is n times. We can write a into n by n plus b x by as usual, that is called x bar. Similar like this. That is equal to n in cancel a plus b. So this is the easiest proof. If y equal to a plus bx, we can easily prove y bar equal to a plus bx bar. Okay. Now the case 2, যেটা একটু difficult in respect of proofing methodology.
স্যার
বলো।
স্যার বলছি এই স্টেপটা একবার বলুন, এই a ইনটু n বাই n যেটা করলেন এর পরেরটাই।
সামেশন 1 মনে করো, এইটাই অনেকেই কোশ্চেন, আমি গুড কোশ্চেন, আমি এটা এক্সপেক্ট করেছিলাম কেউ একজন বুঝবে না হয়তো। সামেশন 1 মানেটা কি বলবো? ধরো সামেশন i is equal to 1 to 10, 1 মানে কি 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 কবার আছে?
10 বার।
কত হয়?
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ।
তাহলে n times addition মানে means what? Only n.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
খুব সিম্পল, আমি ওটাকে আর বেশি ডিসক্রিপ মানে অনেকে স্টেপ জাম্প করে লেখে, আমি একবারে লিখেছি, খুব সিম্পল, n times addition, this is simple n.
বুঝেছি স্যার, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
Okay, so it's the easiest proving technique. Now we have to go for variance proof. মুছে দিলাম। Now go for the variance proof. এগুলো ভালো, এই ক্লাসগুলো ভালো করে করবে, কারণ পরীক্ষায় যদি থিওরি এসে পড়ে তাহলে কিন্তু মুশকিলে পড়বে, বই থেকে বুঝতে পারবে না। Now we have to prove it is given as y equal to a plus bx. It is given. We have to prove var y equal to b square var x. That is, variance is independent of the origin, or rather variance is dependent only on the scale, and variance is independent of origin. Whatever, যেভাবে থাকুক না কেন, শুরু করি সলিউশন। খুব আস্তে আস্তে করবো এবং খুব ঠান্ডা মাথা শুনবে। var y equal to var a plus bx, right? Now just একবার রিক্যাপ করাই, var x, what is the meaning of that? Just একবার রিক্যাপ করি, summation x square by n minus summation x by n the whole square, or if you use the frequency distribution case, you can write, remember var means sigma square, আশা করি মনে আছে। Or if this is a frequency distribution case, you can write summation f x square, আমি একবার মনে করে দিলাম ফর্মুলাটা, অনেকবার আমরা অঙ্ক প্র্যাকটিস করেছি, অ্যাসাইনমেন্টও করেছি। আশা করি মনে আছে। Okay, so this is the variance, and we know this for the case of sigma we have to get the square root. Okay, now we record the variance, so we eliminate the square. Now, since only observation is considering, no frequency involved, so we apply this formula. Okay, now let us see from this you can get the line var a plus bx. What is that? You know var x is equal to summation x square by n. So var a plus bx, you can write a plus bx whole square by n. Clear? Minus summation a plus bx by n the whole square. Clear? Okay. Now we have to expand this a plus b whole square. Everybody? Very clear, though? Now we have to expand this a plus b whole square. So what do you have to get? A square plus 2ab 2abx plus b square x square by n minus summation a. I think for the last proof we already know. I will লিখে নি summation a plus b summation x. একটা step jump করলাম, summation bx. If we open this bracket, we can get summation a plus summation bx. So b gets outside, we can get b summation x by n the whole square, right? N that equal to summation a square, again summation over a square, that is a square into n. So I write a square in n. Hello?
স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি, হয় এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছি, চলে গেছিল।
ঠিক আছে তো?
স্যার ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে।
Summation a square, summation over a square, that is a square into n, like the previous theoretical proof, and plus 2ab summation x, 2ab summation x, right? Plus b square goes outside, b square summation x square by n. Now the minus case, minus summation a, that is what? Na, like the previous example বা previous theoretical proof যেটা a question করেছিল একটু আগে, summation a means a goes outside, a into summation 1 means n, plus b summation x by n. Okay, after that আমি একটু উপরের দিকে লিখি এই পার্টটায়। So after that we get a square n, only a square, plus 2ab into summation x by n. We can get 2ab x bar plus b square x summation x square by n. You can write simply b square summation x square by n, right? rather you can write it simply x bar ছেড়ে দাও, simply write x by n, x bar পরে ভাববো। Okay, now for the minus case, again we apply a plus b whole square, but before that just we cancel n, that is get a plus bx plus b summation x by n, that is we can write x bar. Clear? You can write it also simply x bar থাকুক, মানে এখানে x bar লিখেছি, you can write it x bar better, is better for calculation purpose. Summation x by n, তো summation x by n থেকে x bar লিখি কারণ সুবিধা হবে, আমি একটু আগে পড়েছি y bar. Now we have to expand this. A square 2abx bar plus b square summation x square by n minus a square plus 2abx bar, right, plus b square x bar square. Clear? Okay, that is I think as the way step যেমন লিখে রাখি, a square plus 2abx bar plus b square summation x square by n minus a square minus 2abx bar minus b square x bar square. Okay, that is you can cancel it, this, cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. So what we have, b square, if we b square common, we have second bracket summation x square by n, for this case summation x square by n minus will be there, and b square is common, so x bar square, and you can write x bar as summation x by n whole square, right? I repeat again, what actually left, b square summation x square by n minus b square into x bar square. So b square common, what we have left, summation x square by n minus x bar square. X bar mean we know x bar equal to summation x by n, right? So write it summation x by n, and since there is square, so write it square, and this is nothing but b square x. Proof. We know summation x summation x square by n minus x bar by n the whole square equal to b. That's proof. একটু বড়, যদি কোশ্চেন থাকে রিপিট করে আমি চেষ্টা করি যে একটা বোর্ডে আনা যাতে বুঝতে সুবিধা হয়, যদি কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে তো একটু ক্রিটিক্যাল আছে ক্যালকুলেশনটা, ভিডিওটা চাইলে আরেকবার দেখে নেবে।